Hey guys, welcome back to Delph and today I'll be showing you how to change Brave browser language. So, in order for you to do this process, first things first is open up your browser, which is Brave. And now, once you are here, you can just simply go to the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. And now you can just simply go to the bottom and you should have an option over here, settings. Go ahead and select that one. And from here on the left side, guys, you should be able to see languages. So go ahead and click on languages over here on the left side. And you will have here first category preferred languages. So in order for you to add a language or change it, select add languages over here. And now from here, you will have multiple options that Brave has to offer. So you could also utilize the search bar over here. So for example, I'm going to change it to Thai and click on it and click on add. And from here, you will have the other language added over here. Select the three dots over here. And from here, you will just simply check this one, display Brave in this language. And now, once you are ready to change it, select relaunch. And automatically, as you can see, my browser is now on different language. Now, if you want to change it, you can just simply go back to these settings, select the three dots, and you can just simply select this one over here. And pretty much from here, set the English to the default one. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.